whatever time we have, I'll try to be very precise. And I have some statistics with me. So before that, let me say one thing. That is, uh, we started with Dr. Kishalai. I said it's a controversial topic. I think a topic has to be controversial. Otherwise, what's the point in having a discussion? If a topic is such that everybody agrees, then there need not be so much of discussion, right? So it has to be controversial. So what is the first controversy? Controversy is naturally many people don't like this, saying that, what do you mean? Didn't I study? Didn't I study in a higher education institute? Didn't I obtain my degree with sincerity? We are not talking about those people who did that. We are talking about those people who could not or not doing that. So the problem is very deep seated. I just give some statistics. That is, one thing is everything is governed by the job situation. In India, we do not have social security. So everybody has to work or get into some business, whatever. Everybody has to work to earn a living. And to earn a living, to get a job, the passport is the education. Now, what's been happening is whether people are interested or have the ability to absorb higher education, everybody tries to get into higher education. In contrast to, say, a country like US, where students start dropping out from standard 4, standard 5, standard 6. But then again, back of their mind, they know even if they are jobless, they'll get an unemployment allowance, and eventually everybody gets a job. People who are working in a petrol pump or people who are working on the uh, shop floor of Walmart, they don't need a college degree. They don't even need class 10. So after 4, 5, they start dropping out. Then who are the people who are studying in the big universities in the US? Of course, a large number of outsiders, that is China and India, but among the Americans, those who are really interested in higher education. That doesn't happen in India. Here, everyone, whether people can afford it or not, get into higher education. I'm saying college by that. That's because that is an aspiration level. That a good education will get me a good job. There are some statistics within the last few years, within last decade, I should say, there has been explosion in higher education in India because large number of private universities have been allowed. So the statistics I have is India right now having 993 universities. That's a very large number, right? Including private and deemed to be universities. 39,931 colleges and 10,725 standalone institutions. That is the data from Minister of HRD. And in terms of students, in the year of 2019, a huge number, that is 37.4 million students enrolled in higher education. So let me start from the very top and then slowly come down to college level. I'm not talking about students, definitely I'm not talking about students who are doing post-graduation in medicine in particular. Because in India, there are very few seats available in medicine for post-graduation. And those students who join, after a lot of endeavor only they join and they take it seriously. So I'm leaving them out. I'm also leaving, but of course there are exceptions, where students are doing higher education in the so-called top institutes in the country. I think most of them are majority, overwhelming majority are very serious about their studies. There will be always a few exceptions. I personally know exceptions. And then comes the next level and the next level and the next level. And there is the problem. We have thousands of colleges, as I just mentioned, and obviously all of them cannot be good enough. And hence you have lakhs of students who are not either academically fit to be in college because they had not studied properly in school, and or even if they're fit, once they're in college, for economic reason, for family reason, they're basically waiting to somehow finish the degree and get a job. So that's a pathetic situation, and it cannot be uh, overcome overnight. I just give you I think all of us would have heard about it or read about it, but I'm just giving the example of something what came to the newspaper and shocked the entire nation. That is in 2018, August, just 2 years back, in Uttar Pradesh. there are 62 peons job in the government, in UP government. And for that, more than 50,000 graduates, including 28,000 postgraduates, and listen to this, including 3,700 PhD scholars applied. Actually, the qualification for the job was fifth grade. It's shocking, right? I don't know whether to laugh or cry. So what we think is people are not interested in the study, they're interested in only degree and or they're just waiting to get a job somehow. Apparently, a job in the government is attractive. The peon is fifth grade, and I just told you the number. It includes 3,700 PhD scholars applying for the job. And that is not a strange thing because some time back, a similar one happened in 2014, not around 14, 2016. That is 18 lakh, I'm repeating, 18 lakh applications poured in for 40,000 sanitation job, sanitary workers job, which paid 15,000. Year before that, in 2015, 23 lakh candidates applied for 368 peons job, again in Uttar Pradesh, in Agra. In 2018 itself, 3 lakh people in Madhya Pradesh for 738 peons jobs. What does it tell us? It tells us that overwhelming majority of people are in education, school, college, higher education, whatever, are basically waiting for a job. And you can't blame them, right? So when the basically students are looking for a job somehow get a certificate and look for a job, their attitude and their attention to whatever is going on in the class is naturally at the minimum level. So that's very pathetic. And as I said, this situation cannot be overturned overnight. It's a huge problem. It's a problem in the government. It's a problem in the society. It's a problem with all of us. And that will not get solved so easily. But I still see a glimmer of hope. I have lectured in schools, I have lectured in colleges and universities. Their majority belong to the same category. They're not interested in learning anything. They're more interested in passing the exam because basically in India, education is exam oriented. But I have still seen in not so good colleges or not so good universities, even the students who, on the first glance, you don't think they're good enough, I find even among them, there are always one or two sparks. Later, I find they do well. So, of course, that number is very, very small, but there are. On the other hand, I have seen even from Indian Institute of Science, research scholars leave after 2 years. I know personally research scholars who left after 2 years because they got jobs in banks. So, I think the problem exists in other cases. But of course, we are talking about overwhelming majority who are there somehow to pass the time and waiting for a job. And passing is not difficult. 35% or 30%, whatever, 35% getting is not difficult. Even reading the books or notes the night before will do. So people know that. So we'll somehow pass looking for a job. So it's very pathetic, but let's all hope that we can do something and as an educator can contribute whatever I can. Thank you.